Many people have heard that fasting can cure all diseases. The core reason is that fasting is not simply starving the body, but switching it from digestion mode to repair mode. When we keep eating, the body mainly processes blood sugar, secretes insulin, and stores energy. High sugar, high oil, high calorie diets place the body under heavy metabolic burden. When eating stops for a period, blood sugar and insulin levels fall, and the body mobilizes stored glycogen and fat. Several important changes then occur. First, insulin pressure decreases. Chronically high insulin is linked to obesity, fatty liver, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes risk. During fasting, insulin secretion drops and cellular sensitivity may improve. The body relearns more efficient energy use. Second, fat is mobilized. After glycogen depletes, the body burns more fat and produces ketones. Ketones are not only backup fuel, they may affect brain energy, inflammation, and cell signaling. This helps explain why some people feel clearer minded and less hungry after adapting to fasting. Third, cellular autophagy may activate. Autophagy is the body's internal cleaning system that clears damaged proteins, aged organelles, and waste, then recycles usable parts. Long periods of eating suppress autophagy. Reduced energy and nutrient signals encourage cells to clean and repair. This is a key reason fasting is linked to anti-aging and cellular repair. Fourth, chronic inflammation may decline. Many modern chronic problems arise from long-term low-grade inflammation, obesity, blood sugar swings, and metabolic stress. By helping control weight, stabilize blood sugar, and reduce visceral fat, fasting may indirectly lower inflammation. The real strength of fasting is not curing every disease, but influencing several foundational systems at once: blood sugar, insulin, fat metabolism, autophagy, inflammation, and energy use. When these improve, many issues improve in chain. Weight drops, blood sugar stabilizes, fatty liver eases, and sleep or mood may also improve. Yet fasting is not a universal medicine and is not suitable for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, children, adolescents, underweight people, those with eating disorders, people on diabetes medication, patients with severe stomach disease, and anyone treating chronic illness should not attempt fasting casually. Extreme or poorly managed fasting can cause muscle loss, weakened immunity, hormonal imbalance, or rebound overeating. For most people, safer steps come first. Skip late night snacks, lengthen the overnight fast, cut high sugar, high oil processed foods, ensure enough protein and vegetables, and maintain regular exercise and sleep. If the body adapts well, gentle time restricted eating, such as an 8 to 10 hour daily eating window, can be considered. Healthy fasting is not a contest of who stays hungry longest. It is about giving the body time to digest, opportunity to repair, and space to restore metabolic balance. So the claim that fasting cures all diseases is inaccurate. A more precise view is that scientific, moderate, personalized fasting may reduce metabolic burden, activate repair mechanisms, and improve the body's foundational environment, creating the conditions for many problems to gradually improve.